Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Last minute freaking connecting everything. We are right now connecting as well to the broker. How are you guys? Everything good? We're here. We're alive. We are alive. How are you guys? Still connecting my broker here. And I need to share the live stream. I should change. I'm not connected. I should change something. I'm not connected anymore to Frankfurt. I should connect. Tagged everyone live on. How are you guys? Everything good? Why am it's not connecting? Hey, Paul. Morning. Why it's not connecting right now, guys? Let me disconnect. I'm not. It's not connecting because it's not even trying to connect. What the heck? I just noticed it right now. Let's change to Apex São Paulo, because I'm in Paraguay. Is the closest server here. Morning, guys. Good morning, Nick, Traffics, Paul, Redwan. So I really don't know what is the market, to be honest. I'm just connecting. I'm late. So we give it the time. We know that we need just to take one good trade. One good trade is what we care. Loading reports, so it means that it's loading everything right now, connecting. Okay, let's see, guys. MNQ down, little bounce right now. Okay, things doesn't look in the at least quick chart there does not look amazing. Daily chart, hour chart, not even much here, to be honest. That's an interesting. For the moment, this chart looks ugly as hell. Daily chart, we create a red candle. We took already the previous high. Can we come back and retest this 550, 540 area? I think that's mostly probably what wants to do if I need to think about entries. If we think about go long, we have to go long above this level here at 644. Gonna remove this level. Oh my God, need to remove this level as well. If I have to think about longs, it need to be above this area here. All these weeks, taking along, thinking about 1, 2, 3, 4 right now that has not been liquidated. If I have to think about longs, let's go to gold. Our friendly and amazing gold. We're selling off. Wow, we're selling off in gold. We didn't grab any highs, so that makes it an even better top to catch. Oh, that makes it more interesting for longs. If we come back and grab these lows and we think about going higher, this can be an interesting long idea. Oh my God, look at this daily chart. Daily chart's huge bullish in gold. It's a good chance we're gonna come and grab these highs here on these previous days. Looking at the situation of the chart there. If I go back to 1 hour, yeah, that looks like the level to care about this. If I have to think about longs, somewhere here. You have also this one if I want to be like safer, because it finds support for 2 hours there before going lower right now. Or this one if I want just a liquidity grab and a spike back. How are you guys? Everything good? Everything good, guys? Here we're just grabbing some lows. It can make it interesting for some possible longs idea for this chart. If we see this 15-minute candle closing above, look at this level as well. We find mostly we find support here. We find support even here afterwards. Little bit of resistance, support, resistance, support. Even if you want to make it more precise on a 15-minute level chart, you can even come to here and try to have more wicks like this the bottom here. I'm looking, honestly, if I have to take a trade here in gold, is definitely looking for a continuation long, especially because it's true that we grabbed this little high, grabbed these ones, but we didn't grab this one. So now it's making it a double top. Liquidity grab, come back, and we can aim for these highs. I'm gonna wait for these 8 more minutes to see what it wants to do. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, that's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful. MQ pushing above the level, guys. That is interesting. Let's see what wants to do NQ. We have news, right? I think Nick this morning showed some, what was the Mufti, but in the chat in Discord. So you see this resistance right now? Having some closure above this level and continuation high can be interesting. Or this is going to be a liquidity grab to come to the previous level. There was a 540. Right now it's ticked out there. No news. Good to know. Look at that. We grabbed probably some highs here, probably in NQ or even in ES. We have to think. Because if we go to ES, we might have grabbed some previous highs. That's what it did right now. We grabbed some previous highs, and we might come back lower. And so right now he's doing it. And it looks like it wants to do that. Gold is pushing nicely, guys. This, to be honest, if I no, it was a quick hard rejection. Yeah, I'm thinking about this can come lower here to the next level. If we go to the 1-hour chart, rejection here, support. Liquidity grab, at least on ES it happened. This can come lower to come to this next level at 540. This can come there. Gold is bouncing nicely, guys. A gold idea long, it can be the way. It can be the way. Even this one, a short in NQ, any closure above, how much I will be risking? $60 with one contract to make 90. I mean, it's still more than 1-to-1 up to these lows here. Let's see gold, because I like that gold as well. I know we are still rejecting. $60. I might take it, guys. I'm gonna enter with one contract just to put myself in and add if it wants to pull back. I should have entered with full sides at the closure of that candle. I nearly jumped on then. Yeah, man, I should have just jumped with full sides. Ah, look at this. Why we are so weak to not jump with full sides there? So weak I didn't do it. This looks amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna add one contract there. That's it. Right now with 4 contracts averaging somewhere here, we're losing $260. Now it added that contract. Now we are short 4 contracts. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed. Ah, that gold is turning nicely, guys. 4 more minutes. Hard stop loss will be above, guys, of the week. We did grab the previous week, by the way. Even in MNQ, we did grab it. So that makes it definitely even a better trade. I think it looks good. Yeah, it did grab the high, so it does look amazing, to be honest. We can come lower. As well, gold. If we grab these lows and gold is holding, we can go and take a long as well in gold. Can we come? Can we have a nice acceleration? I'm loving that gold, guys. I'm loving that gold idea. If we close it nicely here, I'll move my stop loss to break even. There is no need anymore to risk here. To risk a bounce of these levels. Come on. That's once it doesn't want to do it. Still early to close it. Come on. One more minute for the 50 minutes candle in gold to close, guys. I'm thinking to go long there. Yeah, I will take a long in gold, 100%. This is probably gonna be a flattened position. I'm gonna close myself there. Oh my god, I don't have a Trader Pro open. All the positions are flattened. For the first time, the flattened position is working. I'm gonna close my position there, and I'm gonna move to gold, guys. These things can go. It can still go lower. These things can still go lower, but yeah, let's see. I'm gonna move to gold, guys. I'm in with 3 contracts. Stop will be the week, and we'll try to get a nice push there. Let's go back to MNQ to see it. For the moment, it's still bouncing there. It's still a nice short for my point. Still a nice short. I'm long in gold. The gold one is more clear than the short one in right now, because even the short one is still good. We did weak. Yes, we did weak. Holiday trading for real, man. Look at, we did weak. Yeah, we did weak the previous trade, so this thing can still go lower. We did weak here. We didn't weak anything lower. So that makes it more chance it's gonna go more lower again. It's just a matter of given the time, I think. Let me flatten. Oh, I cannot flatten everything anymore in Trader Pro. I'm gonna flatten also gold if I do that. But I should. It should have flattened everything before. It should have flattened everything. I think so. Let me see if I have the same contract size everywhere. Yeah, free. Long exposure, free 6, free. Okay. 6. Yeah, okay, should be fine. We're getting a rejection in gold right now, but still is a good trade from my point. It is still a good trade. I still like it. We're gonna give it the time it wants. Above this level, closer below. If it comes back that much and it closes me, and I'm in peace. I'm okay with this trade. How is NQ doing? NQ is still fine for shorts. This weak piece of crap of a week there here. Honestly, I will take even a short as well in NQ still. I will just maybe lower my size for being a bit more, you know, less set up wheezy. I think I'm gonna take it, guys. I'm gonna still take it. Still rejecting there. It's like a short and a long in at the same time in gold and NQ. NQ gold is destroying me right now. Gold is destroying me. Gold is not playing the friendly guy here. Not at all. When I said before a closure above this level and it become in the handle level, it's scaring a lot. Let me see if I have to cut it in advance. In 1 minute and 38 seconds. If this 5-minute candle closes lower, I might have to cut it in advance. Look at that. Oh my God. Do you want to play with me? Thank you, Gold. Thank you, Gold, for stopping me out. Full loss. I mean, some highs here, but I was looking at this double top right now that it was formed properly. That's what I was looking for. This still can go higher, but for the moment, I'm gonna call myself out from this trade. And the NQ trade is the one that probably is gonna save us a little bit here. Hey, Jose, it's been a long time, man. Look at this NQ in the end. NQ was the right choice. Luckily, I got in 2 contracts, but at least it's gonna cover some of the loss. How are you, Jose? That gold took me dirty, yeah? Really took me dirty, by the way. What the heck? It did me dirty there. Right now, even this one did me dirty. Let's see. Out. I'm gonna flatten everything. That's annoying. That's annoying in gold. There's not even like a little push to stop. I'm good, man. I should have. Oh my God. No, I don't want to speak about should. There was still a short here. Was nice with 4 contracts. I was still in the trade, but I moved to gold to expose myself more in gold. And in the end, it ended up that NQ was better, and gold was just a piece of crap. It stopped me out, and right now we're gonna leave it there for a while. I'm gonna move my level to here for longs choice. It rejected there, the piece of crap it rejected. It faked me out, and I did not really even think about bouncing a little bit more. Crazy. Earlier, yeah, it can be. Let me see on gold. I mean, I took the 15 minutes. Let's evaluate it. I took the 1 hour chart. The hour candle was red, 100%, but still was not closed. So the moment we closed here, we created at least a wick from here to here, and I was like, okay, it can be interesting. 30 minutes candle. It did close red. It did close red. It did close red below the level. I mean, not below the level. My level initially was this one. So it was still fine. But in reality, this was the level right now. Even this one was still fine. But this, to be honest, yeah, here I should have used both levels. Is an area of like bouncing and rejecting, bouncing and rejecting here. So could have used both. But it's a good point what you said. If the next 30 minutes is in 7 minutes 40 seconds, this one closes green again. That can, I think it can be interesting. A long hair, yeah. This one was a long earlier in gold. This support, we come back, we grabbed even this lows. This was a long, even and this one was even better. We closed and we grabbed this low, this one here. Yeah, this one is dollars amount here. This one, this level. Yeah, I mean, you can even take it as a break at this double top here. This is a double top. You take it, grab it, you're done. Or as well, this liquidity grab, this trend line. This trend line here. This trend line here, shorting, shorting, shorting. Came out, stopped out the shorting people here. That was a nice one. That was a nice setup here. It was a beautiful setup. Let's go back to NQ to see what wants to doing. Yeah. Today that gold really took me dirty. I should have been more careful. But because we grabbed the lows, I felt good on it, so I'm okay. But that was a beautiful trade on beautiful trade in at least in NQ. We grabbed these highs as well in ES, and there was only downside from there. I didn't take it full size. That's what I think my only problem. We're still surviving with these accounts, guys. Incredible. Even with all these negative days. That was a beautiful trade in NQ, to be honest. Looking at the 30-minute chart, that looks beautiful. A green to red candle after grabbing the highs. That was a beautiful setup for real. And look at these 30 minutes. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Look at this beautiful 30 minutes. Green, grab these highs, come back. This was by itself the turning candle from green to red was an enter here itself. Red was solid, yeah. The NQ read was solid, really. Shorting, we're going lower. Next level is we still have space. No, we had a nice read here in NQ. Not the best read in gold. Can still go higher, yes, but for the moment, we're gonna leave it there until it finds show us something that's more interesting. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Oh, look at, oh my God, look at that right now, NQ here. Nice exit there, not looking for more. Nice exit there. What does he want to do right now, NQ? Chopping people around? Uh-huh. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Rip breakdown traders. Yeah, taking a short here for the break lower continuation, you're out. Taking a long here because of breaking these highs to go higher, done. This is a liquidity grab period. Stop out some people, move to the next one, stop out other people. Let's go to gold. The beautiful read on gold today was that the annoying things in gold is not even this candle not even closes like lower to give us the time to take out. No, it just freaking skyrocket to the downside. That's the 30 minutes is closing in 1 minute and 30 seconds, guys. In gold. So this candle here is closing in 1 minute and 16 seconds. Again, coming here again for the low side. We definitely, yeah, definitely this idea of that we took. Yeah, I mean, we grabbed these lows. That's why I took the long, even with this liquidity grab above. But we didn't grab the previous one, so I'm thinking it still can go higher, but I just got chopped out. Probably the best would have been waiting for a better entry level instead of the lower one, because I looked for the low one here, but looking for a higher one as a more confirmation would have been probably the best choice in this case. It is what it is. Oh la la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. NQ, what do you want to... Oh, mamma mia. NQ, what do you want to do? Grabbing the lows and turning green? Crazy. This can definitely is going to push higher here. Easy longs. Yeah, this is honestly, this is like... I might give a quick grab here if it comes a little bit lower. I'm gonna take it that a scalp long. Taking that closing candle of the 30 minutes of the hour long, I will take it. 30 minutes closing strong like that. After we grab these lows, it can come back and grab again more highs. In with me, Jose, if you're with me, I'm gonna increase my size. I'm gonna increase my size to full 10 minutes contracts. If it comes a bit lower, I might add, or if it turns this candle even better, and give it as a stop loss there. Just a week, it will be created. Let me add one contract. Give it the time. Go on. PW. What do you mean PW? Patrick Williams? Oh. Let's see if I'm gonna get destroyed. 10 minutes YOLO long. Yeah, man. Man, he has the money. He has a big amount of money, guys. If I was making $1 million in, I'm long one more contract. If I was making $1 million in affiliate every month, I will YOLO the shit out of everything every time. This candle did not turn as I wish. Quick to green, red to green. Can we bounce? Can we go to the highs? If Patrick Williams is long, I'm long as well, because he's always right. He's my mentor, the beast. I'm just joking. Before some misunderstanding, he's not my mentor. I'm looking for longs in this NQ. This long doesn't want to happen. And, instead it wants to stop me out. Are we gonna get destroyed, guys? Is it today we're gonna blow up the accounts? No, we're not gonna blow them up, but we're gonna have a nice loss. Below the 600, if it closes below the 600, I will be out. If this 5 minutes candle closes below the 600 here, I'm gonna call myself out as a level of trust. 600 here. Below the 600, 5 minutes candle closes below 600, I'm out. Okay, I might be out. If it closes below 600, I'm out, guys. Yeah, I'm out, guys. Took a nice loss there. Thank you. I took it, I give it back. Oh my God, what did I do here? Performance report. Full working orders. Okay, close it there. Not the day. Not the day. We took the loss. We are still surviving somehow in these accounts. I'm still impressed by that. But I'm gonna call it in advance today, guys. No need to stay here for me. These things might do whatever it wants. I would honestly like the long idea to grab these highs. I call myself out here below the 600s. I think it's a good level for that, to call myself out. For the rest, guys, thank you for coming. Sorry for the quick call. We took it with a loss, but it is what it is. Love you guys. Have a good one. Look at that. Thanks God I called myself out from that trade.